Ever step into your car and get hit by stale odors? Does your home sometimes smell less than fresh? Pet smells lingering in laundry rooms or garages? Bathroom odors that just won't go away? Tired of air fresheners that fade too quickly? Frustrated with sprays that leave wet spots behind? Wish you could easily see when your spray runs low? Need a fragrance boost that's always ready to go? Introducing Little Trees Car Air Freshener Spray, a global symbol of freshness since 1952. Premium, long-lasting scent for car or home. Black Ice delivers woods and citrus, a masculine mystery. Instant fragrance boost in a non-aerosol format. Fine mist spray with a long reach and drier feel. Translucent bottle shows exactly when you're running low. Special nozzle ensures even coverage, no mess. Compact 3.5 ounces size fits in your car, bag, or drawer. Use it anywhere: cars, bathrooms, laundry rooms, garages. Great for tackling pet odors and everyday smells. Made in the USA with rigorous quality standards. Only the best ingredients for a premium experience. Meets International Fragrance Association guidelines. Safe for consumers and the environment. No more embarrassing car rides with guests. No more holding your breath in the laundry room. No more masking pet odors with weak sprays. No more worrying about bathroom freshness. Enjoy a consistently fresh scent wherever you are. Feel confident inviting friends into your car. Create a welcoming home environment every day. Easy to use, just spray and enjoy instant freshness. No sticky residue, just a clean, dry mist. See when it's time for a refill at a glance. Take it on the go for freshness anytime. Perfect for busy lifestyles and frequent travelers. Great for families, pet owners, and car enthusiasts. Choose Little Trees for quality you can trust. A variety of fragrances to suit your mood and style. Black Ice is mysterious, bold, and unforgettable. Transform your space with a single spray. Say goodbye to unpleasant odors for good. Experience the difference of premium fragrance. Make every drive or day at home more enjoyable. Impress your passengers with a fresh-smelling ride. Keep your home inviting for family and guests. Little Trees is trusted by millions worldwide. A small bottle, a big impact on your daily life. Convenient, effective, and always ready to use. Upgrade your air freshener game today. Don't settle for less. Choose Little Trees Spray. Enjoy on-the-go freshness wherever you need it. Order now and breathe easier every day. Experience the global symbol of freshness yourself. Little Trees. Freshen your life anytime, anywhere. Make every moment smell better with Little Trees. Click to buy and transform your space instantly.